welcome back to my channel. My name is Sania Aman. I do videos on beauty, style and fashion. If you like such kind of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give a big like, and please don't forget to share as well. Today I'm going to do this beautiful brown makeup look. Easy, and I've just used 2 shades of eyeshadow in my tutorial, and this is how it looks, and it turned out really well for me. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm done with the moisturizer and the primer. Then I'm taking this NYX Total Control Drop foundation in the shade Beige. Oh my god, this shade looks so light on me because I got tanned so badly this summer. Anyways, I'm going to work it out. And I'm blending it really well so that it just matches to my skin tone. 08 Rewind Concealer. This is from the brand Maybelline, and this is the dark spot eraser concealer. It actually does what it says. So this is the one which I highly recommend if you're looking for a full coverage concealer. But if you have dark spots or dark circles, any blemishes, this covers so well. So after I have blended well all my concealer, next I'm using this Neutral 3 Reloaded palette from Makeup Revolution, using the transition shade as usual. If you know me, you know that how much I love this palette. I've been using this often, and because this has a shades which are ranging from the neutral tone to the darker tone, this actually covers the whole range of colors, and also it's so pigmented. The next shade is the slightly darker than the transition shade. That's a dark brown I'm using here as my next layering shade on top of my eyelids up to my crease. Make sure you blend well with the transition shade, and this will complete the overall look of my eyes, and slightly making it a little bit more deeper at the corners of my eyes and on the crease a little bit more. That will enhance your eyes, and also your eyes will look more prominent and more beautiful with this shade. This is the shade I'm using under my eyes just to line a bit in the lower lash line. And next I'm using this gel eyeliner from the Maybelline. Bring it under the lower lash line and also tight lining my eyes very well there. Next time for the eyebrows. For the eyebrows I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. So done with the eyebrows off camera, and next I'm using this contouring palette from Urban Decay. This is a contour. This has got beautiful gorgeous 4 shades in it, 2 blushes, 1 contouring brown shade, and also the highlighting shade. I'm just taking this excess lip balm which I had applied before I apply my whole makeup. So this actually takes out all the oil on my lips, and using the Sephora lip crayon on the lips, and then using this tissue paper for blotting all the excess oil just to stay and make it more matte. After that I'm contouring my nose and also highlighting with the same Urban Decay palette, and using the eyeliner which is from the brand Essence because it has got the beautiful thinnest brush. I'm using that, and then Essence False Lashes Mascara, I'm using it, and this actually creates a lot of volume and length for your lashes. Then a quick makeup and the beautiful outfit deets. Have a look. Thank you beauties for watching. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. And I do videos every week, so stay tuned for that. See you in my next video. Stay tuned.